My name's Kel. I'm with the LivePlan support team, and I'm going to walk you through changing your company options in LivePlan. So if you're looking to change your forecast settings or maybe your plan language, all of those settings can be found in the options menu, which is this little handy gear icon here. We're going to click into this company options, and from here we can change quite a few things. So we can adjust our company name. This is the company name as it's shown in our account. It doesn't change how the company is referred to throughout the written plan, just how we see it indicated kind of on our end. We also have control of our business description from our company options. Our little business description here is what the LivePlan assistant uses to generate suggestions or generate drafts for written work in the plan for you. There's also a little extra notes section where you can add some things that you would like the LivePlan assistant to know. There's a couple of other little settings and questions here, and then the meat and potatoes of the options menu, which is our forecast settings here and some other things as well. So from here we can change our plan start date. This is the forecast starting date. If you are a premium tier user and you change your start date, that will be applied to all of the different multiple forecast scenarios you might have in your plan. So the starting date as it is in the company options sets the forecast starting date for the whole company and any scenarios that might be included. This is also where we can change the length of the forecast. If I want to add a year, maybe 2, to my forecast, I can change that here, as well as how many years in monthly detail I would like to include in my forecast. If you're dealing with recurring charges or spread out monthly sort of charges, there's a setting for how that's calculated here as well. You can change the currency notation. So if you're working with a different type of currency than the US dollar, there are different currency symbols in here for you. You can also change the language that your plan is written in. This will change the chapters and sections and topics when you select a different plan language. From the company options menu, we can also select which of our contributors or collaborators has access to this plan within our account. So I can add my teammate Zach and give him access to this plan if I'd like to. And now that I have changed added some years to my forecast and added my teammate to see this, I'm gonna click Save Changes to make sure that all of that is maintained. But yeah, that's how you can change your company options in LivePlan. Happy planning!